Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this SONGX True Wireless Earbuds. Here the listing on Amazon says noise cancelling Bluetooth headphones, waterproof with star loop design, halo light, in-ear detection and touch control for iPhones and Android. I have ordered them in black. The model type is called SONGX and they are available in pretty fancy colors. I can show you that, hope you can see that, especially this one here with gold and the red and the white thing here. I think this could be a nice gift for a woman, or the black ones for men. These are really fancy ones, not just normal standard style. Really nice design. Of course, they are not super cheap. Originally they were listed for I think $69, now they are $59. You can even save some 10% and some extra 6%. Yeah, so you can definitely save some money at the moment for these things, and they come with nice features, also wireless charging case, and so I thought I'd give it a try. Here you can see some things on the box. I think not too much should be the features, but it's a little bit difficult to see. Here also, yeah, here I think we have the brand and the model type and some of the specs. So I'll take it out of the box and show you everything. I'm going to wear them for some time, and then I'm going to make a sound sample, of course, from the microphone, so you will be able to hear how good the microphone is if you are planning to use that to make phone calls. I'm also telling you how comfortable they are, how good they fit in the ears, how good the sound quality is, especially the deep bass, those things. I think we have some instructions which I'm going to show you pretty quickly here. So I think here we have the start. It's a pair of earbuds. It's not rocket science, but sometimes it can be still really helpful in some special situations, especially if you are having problems with pairing or resetting. This can always be the case. Yeah, here factory data reset. I think this could be one of the most important functions here. Maybe you got it even from a friend, or you bought used, or it's just not working, not connecting anymore, and then you have to do a total reset. That's always advised to make it easier to reconnect again. So, and you can also see that already the case or the packaging looks really special. It's not a standard thing. Yeah, why should we push? I'm just trying to remove the thing here. Yeah, now I see that this is this circle, and here is how to open this thing. So this is definitely rather unusual and some real fancy stuff here. Yeah, okay, I'm not doing too much. I'm too old for that. I don't want to destroy the things. So let's take this out. You can see that here, SONGX, really nice stuff. Even the black ones, it's maybe a little bit difficult to take them out as usual. Usually you have to get used to how it's the easiest to take them out of the charging box. It's not even difficult. You just grab the one here from below and the one here from top, and so it's not really difficult. And we can close the thing here, and it was written that we have to remove, yeah, I think I hope you can see that here we have to remove this plastic, otherwise you can just listen for a while, and then after that they won't charge, and then the battery will be empty. So here we have them. I hope you can see there is something magnetic inside, but a really nice, shiny, yeah, really a beautiful thing. So if they are working like they look, yeah, this could be really promising. So I'm going to test that. I'm going to pair and check and see everything, and then I'm going to tell you how they have been working for me. Yeah, there's one thing I almost forgot to show you, and of course that's the whole packaging content. And you can see here on the side we have this USB-C charging cable, and on this side we have different ear tips. So looks like these are two sets, and we have already the one here, probably medium size, is already mounted, and we have a large and a small one here. I've been wearing them for a couple of hours, listening to music, trying the microphone, and trying to make sure that they do not fall out, or test how easily they fall out. So yeah, it was actually one of my most disappointing experiences regarding earphones. I really have to tell you, there are only three really positive things which I have noticed. I mean, again, they are somehow really beautiful, especially the ones in white and red and different colors. They are pretty unique. They have some unique style, and they have a really good fit. I mean, when you have them really good in your ears, then they have a really good fit, tight fit. They are not falling out very easily. You can do crazy stuff, I would say, at least as long as you are not sweating too much. And they have some kind of ultra deep bass sound. I mean, I was listening to this thing here on YouTube. I'm usually trying with these things, so I have some good comparison between the different earbuds, and they are doing a really amazing job. When you have them deep into your ears, they are absolutely amazing. But there are also some really big disadvantages. Let's also start with the sound experience. I mean, to listen or really use them and listen properly, you have to put them pretty deep in your ears. They are rather long. I have seen definitely smaller ones. And regarding the shape, when you want to have them like flat outside of your ears, not like hanging out or so, but just flat, this means you have to push them pretty far inside that it almost hurts. I mean, for my ears it was pretty close. Of course, then you have some pretty good passive noise cancelling. By the way, I think there is absolutely no active noise cancelling, but there is a lot of passive noise cancelling, of course, with these soft rubber ear tips. That's always the case. Has nothing to do especially with these things, but they are pretty large here. But we can also see they have this pretty large speaker opening, so definitely the sound is very strong. They have ultra deep bass sound, but you have them so deep in your ears, you are totally cut off from everything. It's almost impossible to hear somebody. If somebody is calling your name just right beside you, it's almost impossible to hear, I can tell you. It's a little bit weird thing. And then there's also another disadvantage when you have them really deep in your ears. When you have to control, the control is only a G sensor. It's not a touch sensor. You cannot just touch a little bit here and done. You really have to push hard. You have to really give a really solid push that it works. And there are just two functions. There is a function for 2 pushes and a function for 3 pushes. So you have to double push or even triple push really hard. And this can really hurt your ears. At least for me, it was definitely absolutely uncomfortable. And by the way, there are just 2 functions here. Some of the earbuds, they have a lot of functions, like you can go back to the last track, then forward to next track, pause, play. You can increase or decrease the audio volume, and sometimes even more things. Here you have basically just 2 functions, not even one for the left and one for the right. I mean, you cannot go back to the last track. There's only play the next track. So with triple push you go to the next track, no matter if you're doing this on the left side or on the right side, it really doesn't matter. I have never seen this before. This is super disappointing, and definitely no audio volume change, no volume change here possible from the earbuds itself. So the good thing is it's not confirmed by any kind of loud beeping or voice announcement or so. There's just nothing going on. It's just going to the next track or pause and play. I mean, 2 times is pause play or play pause, and 3 times going to the next track, but that's it. I mean, the same thing of course with the phone mode, and you can accept the call or hang up, or in the idle mode you can start playing or activate the voice assistant. I've been trying that worked, yeah, definitely, but just 2 functions, even if you have both of them in your ears, that's super disappointing. I definitely haven't seen any earbuds which have less functions than these pair. This is absolutely crazy. Then I have tested the wireless charge capability, and it worked really good. There's absolutely no problem. I can even show you that pretty quickly. You can use even like a normal phone stand or so, and you can see it's charging with close to 1 amp, which is not bad actually, since we have it off center and it's just earbuds, so it's charging pretty fast. So that's a good thing, but there are definitely not many positive things. One thing I wanted to tell you, which is really important, I think, and it's not even mentioned in the description. These 2 earbuds, they have a microphone. I think it's somewhere in between here, somehow hidden. It's a surprising thing that they even can do a pretty good job. Actually, I think there's nothing outside. Maybe there's something here. I really don't know. I mean, it's not mentioned. Yeah, we can see there's also a hole here. Maybe there are 2 microphones. I have really no clue. I have been recording some piece of audio, so you can listen to that. I'm going to play that now for you.
SONGX through wireless earbuds, microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. SONGX through wireless earbuds, audio test, microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I hope you have been able to understand that. I would say it is at least average or even a little bit above average regarding the voice, how it's capturing the voice. It had some little bit of a volume swing, not too crazy, but it had it. There are definitely also earbuds with better microphones, like if you go with a bowl tune or so, usually you can't go wrong, especially when you buy a little bit more expensive ones from them. The new ones with the red circle, they have a really good microphone, and they are better in almost any regard compared to this set here. Yeah, there's really not much positive. There's not even illumination here. I was actually expecting here some kind of illumination. I didn't read that or about that in the listing, and I was just thinking, because it has this nice style and this large X, it would be illuminated during the night, but it's definitely not. There's no illumination at all. There are some earbuds which have nice illumination. It doesn't have even this thing here, so it's actually a total fail. I mean, it's not a complete fail, but when we check the price and compare to what's also around on the market, then it's pretty close to a complete fail, and I really don't see the point why you want to buy the thing, except from that you can buy some unique style, but it's at the very end it will be a big disappointment, even when it's a nice style and it's wireless charging and a couple of good things, but most of it is really disappointing. So for me, it definitely does not work, and from my side, no recommendation, but it's your decision, and I will put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description anyway, so you can check it out and do whatever you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.